Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your VenueApp's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your VenueApp's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your VenueApp application. The home page of VenueApp application will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on Profile option at the bottom right corner of the page. On the next page, click on little gear icon at the top right side of the screen. You will end up on the settings page of your VenueApp's account. Tap on Delete Account option. Confirm deletion of your account by tapping on Delete once again. This is how you can delete your VenueApp's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.